In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam purchase error. If Steam is not letting you complete a purchase, don't worry. In many cases, the issue is temporary and can be resolved with a few simple checks. I'll walk you through the most effective things to try so you can get back to buying your game or content without unnecessary frustration. The first thing to do is wait and try again later. Steam's payment servers can sometimes be busy, overloaded, or temporarily unavailable. This is especially common during major sales, popular game launches, or peak hours when a lot of users are trying to make purchases at the same time. If you keep retrying immediately, you may continue seeing the same error. Give it a little time, then come back and try the purchase again. A short wait can often solve the problem without needing to change anything on your account. Next, check your payment method. Make sure the card, digital wallet, or other payment option you're using is valid and has enough available funds. Also, confirm that the payment details are current and that there are no restrictions from your bank or payment provider that might block online transactions. If something as simple as insufficient balance or an expired card is causing the issue, correcting that can resolve the error right away. If the problem continues, clear Steam's download cache. To do this, open Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and select Clear Download Cache. This can help refresh the app and remove temporary data that may be interfering with normal store or account activity. Keep in mind that Steam may ask you to sign in again after doing this, so be ready to log back into your account. After clearing the cache, sign back in and try the purchase again. Logging out and back in can refresh your session and help Steam reconnect properly to its services. Sometimes purchase issues are tied to a session problem rather than the payment itself. So this is a useful step that's quick and easy to try. Finally, if one payment option still isn't working, try a different payment method. For example, if a card fails, another card or an alternative payment service may go through successfully. This can help you determine whether the problem is specific to one payment option or more general. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have a good chance of fixing the Steam purchase error and completing your transaction successfully.